Down South Pokemon. What's up, everybody? Here we have today Triumph. We got the Triumph vending machine. Paid, I think, 10 bucks for each one. I'm gonna show you what I won. All right, box number one. Ooh, that is a beautiful card. Maleto EXSIR from Black Bolt. Beautiful, totally worth it. Alright, let's see the other box. Okay, what's in this box?
What's in the box?
It's like, wow!
Megalopony EXSIR. And then a duck. Thank you guys for watching.